persons descending from one of the 12 sons of the patriarch Jacob, a nation, a people. Can't get around it. And they're not going to all look like Wesley Snipes or John Shaft or Denzel Washington. Now, 3 of the women in this photo are teachers or mentors at this adolescent school or ministry of grace. And once again, the name of the school is called the Uruguay School of Ministries or Grace School of Ministries International. Well, let's keep going. We're going to go and get more. Let's go to Jeremiah. So the Most High is describing his people as a speckled bird. And those that are wishing to demonize the Israelites are calling the Israelites falsely black Hebrew Israelites. Look at these children. Are they black? Look at the woman or the young lady in the center with the hot pink jacket on. Has a hot pink jacket. And she has a black shirt. Her shirt is black. Her skin is a light brown, along with the young ladies to her left and right. Now, the older women that you see to the far left, and there's this butch-looking lady right here to the right, these are mentors. And there's another older lady here to the far left, another mentor, along with the one at the end here wearing a turquoise colored shirt or tank top. So the Most High is describing his heritage as a speckled bird. Let's go to Jeremiah 12 and 9. Mine heritage is unto me as a speckled bird. The birds round about are against her. Come ye, assemble all the beasts of the field. Come to devour. So we're going to go into that word, speckled. Let's go into the Hebrew. What is this word, speckled?
Strong's H, 6641. Savuah. Savuah.
Savuah. Savuah. Watch this. Colored. Oh my goodness. Colored. Variegated. Or variegated. Speckled. See? Colored. Now, those false Israelite groups out there, they don't look words up. See? You can't get around it. Colored. Who else is colored? Well, we'll get that last. Let's get this word here. Variegated. 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 Exhibiting different colors. Wow. See? Exhibiting different colors. Colored, variegated, or speckled. Once again, from the Hebrew.
Strong's H, 6641. Savuah. Savuah.
Savuah. So the Most High's heritage, which is Israel, is multi-colored, okay? From anywhere from dark brown, black coffee, no sugar, no cream, to a light complexion. Extra cream and sugar, okay? supremacy. So when we looked up that word colored, pursuant to Jeremiah 12 and 9, let's see who else is colored. Let's go to Daniel. I think it's Daniel. So the bottom line is bloodline is determined by the seed, or nationality is determined by the seed of your father. That's where you get your nation from. The seed of your father. That's not where I wanted to go. Whoa, the Spirit took me here. I really didn't want to go here. Daniel 9 and 7. O Lord, righteousness belongeth unto thee, but unto us confusion of face, as at this day, to the men of Judah and to the inhabitants of Jerusalem and to all Israel that are near and that are afar off, through all the countries whither thou hast driven them,
Right.
because of their trespasses that they have trespassed against thee. So Israel now is confusion of face. Let's go into that word confusion. We know what it is, but some of us don't. So we're going to look it up. Confusion comes from the Hebrew
Strong's H1322. Bosheth. Bosheth.
Bosheth. Look at that. Shame. So shame has been brought to Israel. So now we look like a multicolored rainbow across the spectrum. Excuse me. So we have been scattered due to our transgressing of the Most High's word. So he scattered us to serve in captivity for a punishment. See? So let's go from there to, I wanted to go to Daniel, because we looked up, we found the word colored. So we're going to go to Daniel 7. Daniel 7. And 9. I beheld till the thrones were cast down, and the Ancient of Days did sit, whose garment was white as snow, and the hair of his head like the pure wool. His throne was like the fiery flame, and his wheels as burning fire. So the Most High has hair like a so-called Negro. So does Yahushai, his son. Let's get one more. So the top tribe, or the head tribe, is Judah. That's the tribe Yahushai came out of, pursuant to Hebrews 7 and 14. Daniel 10 and 5.
Because I enjoyed it.
Then I lifted up my eyes and looked, and behold, a certain man clothed in linen, whose loins were girded with the fine gold of Uphaz. His body also was like the beryl, and his face as the appearance of lightning, and his eyes as lamps of fire, and his arms and his feet like in color
philosophy.
The Israelites have color like the Most High. Some of the Israelites
So
are going to be
God,
coffee
you know,
with extra cream and sugar, and are going to have a higher
and then
or
the ultimate,
lighter complexion.
you know,
You have Israelites that's going to look like Edomites that are out there,
whatever, you
but
know,
their bloodlines go back to Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Like if you follow my cursor
it's called getting my master.
right here to this young lady
By the way,
wearing blue jeans and a white and purplish
Teddy Roosevelt
shirt
said
with purple flowers, if you look at her, she could pass for an Edomite. And I'm excuse me, circling her head, my mother's complexion was like hers, along with the young lady to the far right. The bottom line, the Most High and His Son, Yahushua, have color, dark brown or light as polished brass. All right? So the title of this lesson is What in the World is a Black Hebrew Israelite? I'm still looking for one, because the Most High says my heritage is as a speckled bird. So are we going to follow with what the Bible tells us, or are we going to go with the mainstream media? Black Hebrew Israelites. And now they're trying to persecute and demonize those of the chosen seed of the house of Israel.
you know, replacement.
And we're not black Hebrew Israelites.
You know, it doesn't work.
Hopefully this lesson
You know,
has been edifying. All praises to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahushai, Bahashem, Rakah Kadash. See you on the next lesson, Lord willing. Kwam Yasharala and Abad Abad. We got